Hi there. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to make a table online. So if you're doing an assignment where you need a chart to organize information, this is an easy way to do it. First, I'll show you in Outlook. And the tools I'm using are all online tools. So I'm in my Outlook Mail. So you can see I'm in my Mail tab right here. And if you look over on this side on your Outlook account, you'll see 9 little dots. I'm going to click on those. And it opens up all of the apps that I can use with Outlook. And I'm going to choose Word. And I'll start by opening up a new blank document. Now with charts or tables, sometimes it's easiest if you have the paper turned sideways. So I'm going to start with that. So I go to Layout, Orientation, and then I choose Landscape. You can see it turn the paper sideways. And now I'm going to insert a table. So I clicked on Insert, my table, and I'm going to click on Insert Table, or if you want, you can just color in how many boxes you want. So if I wanted a 4x4 table, I could do that, or I could go Insert Table, and this will work the same way. So I want to make it 4x4. Oh, click the wrong way. And boom, there's my table. With these cells, so right now it looks really super skinny. You couldn't put a lot of information into it. But if I type and as I fill the cell, it'll make it bigger. So this is pretty cool. This table will expand to fit whatever you're putting in it. Okay, so that's a table in Word Online. I'm just going to show you how to do the same thing with Google. So here I opened up the Google search bar, and there's a place up in this corner where you can log in, so you can sign into your account, which you can see I've already done. There's my little coffee pot. And here again are 9 dots. So I'm going to click on that. That'll open up all the Google apps that I can use. And I'm looking for one called Docs. So Docs is just the Google version of Microsoft Word. So I'll click on that. And again, I'll choose blank document. And you can see that it's also like up and down, and I want to turn it so it's sideways. I use Docs a little less, so let's see if I can find it. So I clicked on Format, Page Orientation, and I'm just going to pick Landscape. So that'll turn it sideways. Okie dokie. And now I want to put my table in there. I'll get rid of this. So Insert, Table, and here again you can just color in how many blocks you want, how many cells you want. I'm going to do a 4x4. There it is. And the same thing as I fill up the cell, you'll just make it bigger and bigger. So you can make it as big or as small as you want. So there's 2 ways to do tables using online tools, which is perfect for EdCenter Online.